everyone, welcome back to my channel. For people who are new, I am a researcher. Currently I am doing a postdoc at Asia Pacific Center for Theoretical Physics in Pohang, South Korea, and this video is all about my before and after office tour. Basically I changed my office for the reason I'll tell you right now. And so just enjoy this video. This is the part that I am recording after I moved to my new office, so hope you enjoyed the office tour. Yes, let's go. Okay, so little update on my office front. Ignore this, I have a lot of back pain, and this is what you get if you sit for long hours in chair and don't care of your posture. So this is basically back straightener and posture corrector. Ignore that. So update is that I'm going to change my office place. Same institute, but I'll be sitting in some other office with other people. I requested to get my office changed because I'll show you this office. Although it's very nice and everything, I'm just sharing my office with one more person and I have a lot of space. But the one thing that I'm missing is any window. There is no window in this room. It was very good during cold, but I need some sunlight. I got down with the viral, and since I've been facing a lot of claustrophobia. I feel very suffocated in this place, so I would like to change my office. That office I'll be sharing with many more people. It's basically a sitting place for 6 people. It's bigger office, but I'm sitting right next to a window, which is a very good thing, and I think it will be challenging. I am more comfortable here, but I do want to get out of my comfort zone, so which I think will push me in a better direction as far as my research is concerned. Right now I get sometimes much more comfortable that I ignore the research part and just watch YouTube videos for very long hours. And if I am sharing my office with many more people, I might kind of restrict myself, or I'll get motivated looking at other people working very hard. So that's the update. I'll just show you around my office. This is the gate where I entered from, and then this is the office. This is my place just next to the gate, and then my office mate sits there, and then this one is his almirah, one is mine. This part is for hanging coat. So this is where I keep my coat, and yeah, that's it. That's the office. So it's big, spacious, but closed off. I need a window, I need sunlight, so I requested them to change my place, and I will be moving there on Monday, so I'll show you there. Okay, so if you can't tell, I am in my new office place, and as I promised, let me show you around. Office is going to be my view. Let's see. There are 6 people sitting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's one board, and just going to show you my place. So this is my place right next to a window. This is my desk. This is my another desktop, so I can use both of them. The CPU will be gone. I have just shifted here, and yeah, place is amazing. It feels so nice to work from this place. You can see this view. It's raining outside, and yeah, the sun and you can see all the heads from here. Everyone has left, so I got the time to record this video, and See you in my